Run to the dollar store and grab one of these wooden lamps. Also make sure the light works before you go and purchase this. After you've purchased this, go and bring it home, and these are the items that you're going to need for this craft. You're going to need the lamp, of course, which this lamp really is cool. It has an LED light that is at the bottom, and it's actually pretty bright. You are also going to need some other accessories, like maybe a wooden birdhouse, a little bird to put onto the birdhouse, some pieces of fencing, and also some moss. Plus, you're also going to need some glue, and I'm just using wood glue. Make sure to go and cut off any tags. And now we are going to go and stain it brown. So I am actually using watercolor paint for this, and it works pretty well to go and stain this piece. This piece is some sort of composite wood, so I'm not surprised. But after you have stained this, and make sure to get the front, along with also the sides, the top, and also the bottom, just be very careful when you are painting this that you do not get a bunch of liquid into the inner portion, just because these little houses do light up. Now put this off to the side once it is fully and totally stained, and let it go and dry. While that is drying, we are going to take a couple of these pieces of the fence. Go and find the centerpiece on this fence. After you found the centerpiece, go and cut it in half. When you're cutting this, it might take a bit of time. Make sure to go nice and slow, and do keep your fingers out of the way. Plus also, if any of it starts to split a small amount, what you can do is you can just go and cut it off and shape it. And if you need to cut off an extra peg, then it's fine, just go and mimic the other side. Now to the bird and the birdhouse. This little bird that I have has a piece of wire on the bottom, so I'm just wrapping it around the birdhouse and cutting off the extra bit of wire. I want this secured in place too, so I'm using a small amount of wood glue just to really make sure it is very secured. Now back to the stained wood piece. Put wood glue onto one side and then go and match up a piece of the fence. Make sure to press it down. Now onto the other side. Do the same, put down wood glue, and then press it down. Make sure both sides are fully and totally pressed into place, and now I'm just going to go and glue the birdhouse. Same, I am using wood glue as well, and this has to go and dry. While this is drying, go and take a piece of extra fencing, line it up with the piece of fence that you already have sticking out, maybe use a piece of the fence that you have that is extra, and secure it. After it is dry, go and put wood glue onto the fence area, and also on the side of the little house. Now we're going to go and put moss into this space and fill it a small amount. Make sure to repeat to both sides, and after it is dry, your little house will look a little something like this. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, take care and have a great one.